Welcome to my beginner's guide to setting up your first fish tank. If you've ever dreamed of having a beautiful aquarium, but weren't sure where to start, I'm here to help you out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need a tank. For beginners, a 20-gallon tank is a great starting point. It's big enough to accommodate a variety of fish, but not so large that it's overwhelming. Make sure your tank is placed on a sturdy stand, away from direct sunlight, and close to an electrical outlet. Next, you'll need a good filter. The filter is the heart of your aquarium, keeping the water clean and your fish healthy. Look for a filter that's rated for your tank's size. Personally, I recommend a hang-on back filter for beginners. Now let's talk about substrate. This is the material that lines the bottom of your tank. Gravel is a popular choice because it's easy to clean and comes in various colors. Rinse the gravel thoroughly before adding it to your tank to remove any dust and debris. Once your substrate is in place, it's time to add water. Use a water conditioner to neutralize chlorine and other harmful chemicals in tap water. Fill the tank about halfway and then add your decorations. Rocks, plants, and other ornaments not only make your tank look beautiful, but also provide hiding spots for your fish. After decorating, finish filling the tank with water. Now let's install the heater. Most tropical fish need a consistent water temperature between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the heater in an area with good water flow to ensure even heating. Don't forget to add a thermometer to monitor the temperature. Now we wait. Before adding any fish, your tank needs to cycle. Cycling is the process of establishing beneficial bacteria that break down waste products. This can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks. During this time, test the water regularly for ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. Finally, it's time to add your fish. Start with just a few, and gradually add more over several weeks. This will give the bacteria time to adjust to the increased waste load. Float the fish in their bag for about 15 minutes to acclimate them to the tank's temperature. Then, release them gently into the water. Congratulations! You've set up your first fish tank. Remember to feed your fish sparingly, do regular water changes, and keep an eye on water parameters. With proper care, your aquarium will thrive, and you'll enjoy the beauty and tranquility it brings to your home. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fish keeping tips. Happy fish keeping!